What if your Arduino could tell you exactly where you are on Earth? Latitude, longitude, altitude. All display live on a tiny OLED screen. In this video, we are connecting the GP-02 module to an Arduino Uno and displaying real-time GPS data on SSD1306 OLED display. Before we start, let me show you everything you will need for this project. Arduino Uno, GP-02 GPS module, SSD1306 OLED display, lithium-ion batteries, jumper wires, and breadboard. The GP-02 GPS module is compact and easy to use satellite positioning module, commonly used in electronics and IoT projects. It is designed to receive signals from GPS satellites and provide accurate location data such as latitude, longitude, altitude, speed, and time. This module typically works using the Global Positioning System (GPS), which relies on a network of satellites orbiting the Earth. The GP-02 receives signal from the multiple satellites and calculates its exact position through triangulation. One of the key features of the GP-02 GPS module is high sensitivity and fast positioning capability, making it suitable for real-time tracking applications. Because of its small size, low power consumption, and reliable performance, the GP-02 GPS module is widely used in applications such as vehicle tracking system, navigation devices, drone positioning, IoT-based project location monitoring projects. Connect the VCC pin of the GP-02 module with 3.3 volt of the Arduino Uno. Ground pin to ground pin. Connect the TX pin of the GP-02 with D2 and RX pin with D3. Connect the VCC pin of the SSD1306 OLED display with 5 volt of the Arduino Uno. Ground pin with ground. Connect the SDA pin with A4 pin of the Arduino Uno and SCL pin with A5. Now let's set up the Arduino IDE. We need two libraries, TinyGPS Plus for the GPS and Adafruit libraries for the OLED display. As you can see, I have already installed these libraries. Now I am powering up the Arduino. Initially, the OLED display does not show any GPS values because the GP-02 GPS module is still acquiring satellite signals. After a few seconds, once a stable connection is established, the latitude and longitude will be displayed. And there we go. Look at that, latitude and longitude are locked in. Altitude showing, speed reading 0 because I am standing still. You can see the coordinates updating every seconds. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this project helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing IoT and AI based projects. Also let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next project.